everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia. If you're new to my channel, if you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today we're working with Coco Black. Yes, they sent me over this wig, y'all. Do y'all see these curls? And all I did was finger comb these out. This wig came like this, baby. These curls are everything. I love these curls on this wig. It is a 13x6 HD frontal glueless wig. It's 22 inches. I'm just in love with it. It's perfect. Anyway, if you guys want to see me install this wig, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'll leave that right here so you guys can follow me over there. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and let's get into this wig install because it's just so beautiful. She's so beautiful. So this is what the box will look like. It's got some hair instructions on the back side. You get some wig caps, a card. Okay, so the wig comes packaged like this. So we have this wig is called Marcy. It's Brazilian Virgin. Water wave, 22 inches, natural color, black, HD lace. It's a 13x6 and the cap size is a large. All right, so here is what the wig looks like straight out the package. Here is the hairline. It is pre-plucked. We have a 13x6. Look at all this parting space inside of here. So much parting space. It's 13 inches left. Ah! Molly, you just scared the freak out. And then it is 6 inches deep, which is really, really nice. It has 2 combs left and right, one in the center, and then also one at the bottom. We've got some extra lace at the bottom as well that I'll just cut off. Elastic band, and then your adjustable straps on the side. It is very adjustable, you guys. So I always like getting a large cap size if they offer sizes because I have a larger head, but it also stretching on the sides. Excuse me, like, yes, I love that. Look, say hi. This is Molly. She's a new addition to our home. Oh my gosh. All right. So this is 22 inches. It must be 22 inches stretched. Yes, but I really do like these curls. These curls are really soft. They look like the juicy curls. Yes. Smells like hair. Off camera, I'm going to put some foundation on the inside of this lace and cut the lace off real quick. I'm also gonna hot comb the edges back. Let's see, but let's get into it. honestly, y'all, I really like the curls on this wig with just a little finger comb. I don't even want to do nothing else to it. I don't want to put no water on it or nothing. But real quick, let me show y'all the back real quick. All right, let's take this wrap off real quick. So let's see how we did. Ooh. Okay, y'all, I really did some dramatic baby hairs. These baby hairs is thick. So this is how the wig turned out. First of all, y'all can't sit here and tell me that y'all don't like this wig. And this wig can be glueless, y'all. It definitely can be glueless, but you know I had to glue it down with my Eben and put some baby hairs in here. It looks so good though. The lace laid pretty well. I only had it wrapped up for like 20 minutes. If that, 20 minutes, if that. I just love how big and curly this hair is. I really, really do. This type of like spiral water wave curl is not the type of curly hair that I usually see, especially water wave, but I love, as you can see, all the little tendrils. Like, I can't. I love these curls just like this. So yeah, so all I did was I put some foundation on the lace. I did a couple baby hairs, put a little foundation in the parting. I laid it down with my Eben lace bond and used some of this gel to swoop doody doops. And I just finger combed the curls out. Literally, that is all I did. We did this side part because I just felt like it would be cute, and it is. And it is. Comment below. Tell me what you guys think about these curls. I know y'all want to wear this wig for the holiday. I know you wish you could get this by Thursday. I know you wish they could overnight this from Amazon. I know you do. It is so freaking cute. I'm obsessed with these curls. I'm gonna have to wear this wig for a couple of days. So yes, this is a 22-inch water wave 13 by 6 Glueless HD wig from coco.black.hair. It is absolutely stunning. This hair looks so good. This is my favorite. Water wave has always been my favorite. But do you see these? Do you see these curls? You're just not gonna get these curls. I feel like I have never gotten these curls before. I don't know what they did to get these curls curling like this, but this is that wig. This is it. But anyway, comment below, tell me what you guys think about this wig. Thank you again, Coco Black, for sending me over this wig and sponsoring this video today, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.